So at this point in our meeting, we haven't decided yet if she's done her prep about me or if she's just coming cold and she doesn't know anything about me.
Hello everyone, and that was Kyle Dates.
Oh, she got it right. I had to tell her how to say it just before this.
He just hijacked the intro to my chat with him
Yeah,
today.
because you asked me how do I want to be introduced, so and then you pushed play and then I just started.
Okay, hi guys. Today we are at Old Town, Italy, and everything's a little bit different today. Mainly because
there were speed races outside. We thought they were testing the Lambos.
And I am interviewing a man on the blog after I think after about 3 or 4 months. So welcome.
Thank you for having me.
For most of you who, or well, all of you know who Kyle Dates is. He is a local South African.
Except for you. You didn't know.
This is gonna.
There's lots of people like you who don't know.
I must tell you that this guy was.
She's gonna tell you.
He was extremely quiet until I pressed record. I actually don't know what to do right now. So he's one of our South African singing sensations. There's actually lots to talk about, but Kyle, where would you like to start here with your, you have so many compartments to you. Let's start with the music industry. Was that something you've always been into, or?
I always listened to music. I mean, I think we all listen to music, but I hadn't started playing or learning an instrument until about grade 8 or 9. I started learning guitar for the first time. I wasn't really singing. I was more humming to myself, learning some songs, learning a few chords, and as soon as I could play the standard chord progressions, I started putting that to songs and learning the common songs that were out at the time. And then I started singing out or singing to like groups of friends around at Rise and that sort of thing. And then
were
from
you
there
sober?
I just started. Yeah.
Okay.
I was sober. 23.
Okay. And then you took part in one of our big competitions in the country.
Yeah.
What's that called again? The competition that you took part in.
This is my voice.
And you were paid?
No, it's not the voice. I came about 17.
Okay, that's the word. Okay.
Yeah.
So you did a lot with that.
Yeah, I mean.
Okay, so clearly he's a funny man, and I had no idea that this was going to happen. But Kyle was placed first on Idol.
Yeah.
2 years ago?
It was 2014. Yeah.
So 2 years ago, I got it right. You've got two very, very big hits that I know of.
Yeah.
I actually didn't know it was South African until recently, and then I was very excited because this weekend I went to the movies with a friend of mine, and the trailer for the new.
Is it out?
The trailer is out.
Yeah.
Keeping up with Kanisami on.
You gotta go watch that.
And
you gotta go watch that. Keeping up with the Kanisami. It's so funny it is, you know.
And
it's terribly funny.
So Carlton is what is that
can't get enough of the soundtrack,
and it's all over the trailer. So if you at the movies like before it's actually released, I think on Friday, if the song playing in the background, that's Kyle.
Hi guys.
So Kyle, today I'm gonna do something a little bit different as per my previous interviews, which you don't know anything about because you also didn't stalk me. So that would be okay.
I'll check you out on Insta. Instant stalking.
Okay, so what I'm doing is I've got a section called the Blogging Blitz. I've asked a few bloggers to send me questions to ask you, and this is what we've got. So you don't have much time to think about the answers, but I am going to mention who...
I hope you don't need a wee because of the noise in the background, because by now it should be seriously setting in.
Okay, so the first question I have for you is from Melissa Kate 1, and her question is, which singer would you lip sync battle with, and what would your song choice be?
I would do a lip sync battle with Sketchy Bongo. Can I choose a producer rather?
Okay.
Just because it would be funny.
Okay.
Do I have to choose a song for him?
Whatever song. I think you're going to do the same song, isn't it? How does it look? Okay.
Come on.
You do it.
They do different songs in the same song.
They do different songs. Okay, let's do the same song for both of you.
No.
Okay. Choose your song.
I want Sketchy to do have to be a female song. Maybe Hit Me Baby One More Time.
And what would you do?
Yo, I would do. It's so random.
The next question we have. You can come
I'd
back
do like
to
a Madonna song or something.
the famous one.
Which one?
All of them. The next one I've got is from Janine Ferreira. At 9 is my number. Do you have a lucky number? If so, why?
My lucky number is number 4, or number 13.
Okay.
Depends on what the thing is. You know, our family lucky number is 13, and then number 4 my dad used to use it playing soccer, and then I started using it playing football.
Okay, that's enough.
And yeah, so that's why it's my lucky.
Lyndall Moses asks, her blog is 4 Kids and a Cat. Other than music, what are your great loves?
I love people. I love interacting with people and people's personalities and auras. What else do I love? I was really in love with the Vampire Diaries series that's just recently ending.
Who is your favorite?
I don't have a favorite.
You don't have a favorite vampire?
No, but Stefan was my favorite out of the brothers, just because all the girls love him.
Fair enough.
I like
Enzo.
I like him. Oh, he's my
Enzo.
Enzo. And that evil witch that comes in right at the end.
I haven't watched it.
Oh,
Thank
yeah.
you.
Oh.
Do you have any hidden talents?
I don't know, it depends what you know and what you don't know about me.
I don't know anything about you. So,
You know I played soccer.
I did, you told me that just now, but you didn't tell me how well. You just said you played soccer.
I played for the South African soccer team.
Oh, wow.
I was playing professionally while I was studying as well.
Also, the other hidden talent is what's your day job?
I'm a chiropractor.
Yeah, so
I mean, that's not a hidden talent, that's...
for people that didn't know you before this. Yeah, so it's Dr. Kaveh. And now he's dropped coffee all over himself. And now the next question I have is from Daneo. It's how did you discover your passion? Well, you've already kind of answered that. He was singing at Rise, but
Singing at Rise. Singing at Rise. No, well, one morning I woke up and it was the Idols audition and I heard about it. And me and my friends were chilling off the night out. And we were going to go get sushi and I was like, guys, it's Idols today. Should I go? And then we went through at like, this was 2012. Then I went through at like 3:30, 4 o'clock, went into the queue, and then sang and then got a ticket. And then I had a soccer match the next day, so I could only come late. So I arrived at like 3:30 the next day to go for the second audition. And then I got through to the judges round. And then I was in group stages with Shakana, and that's where we met from the start of Idols, but I was in group round with her, and then I went out in the top 32, like the entire one.
oh, awesome.
And that's when I realized, like, maybe I can sing a bit better than average. And then I started making music, and I think the creativity and the music making needs to go hand in hand with the talent and the voice these days, until you're at a level where people give you songs. But yeah, so
Do you write
that's how it went.
any of your own music?
Yeah, I like all.
Awesome. Well, I'm going to end off. I've got a challenge here for you. Are you ready? Are you ready for the challenge?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you think that you could make the nursery rhyme Twinkle Twinkle sound sexy?
So I think I
And
could.
go.
What do you mean and go? This
Yes.
is one question to
It's
each
a
blogger.
challenge.
I would
This is
say
a challenge.
yes. I would
That's
say
a
yes.
challenge. So you have to prove it. That's a challenge.
That's
it's
a
not
quiz. What
Yeah,
is
that's
it called?
the challenger question. So, would you like
Do
to
I
prove-
think? No, I don't think I could.
I
I
think-
changed my mind.
Come on.
Can't.
Come on. You know, this is going to go viral.
Yeah?
This is going to go viral.
Is it?
Yeah.
And when it doesn't,
And it will.
is that going to be your fault?
It will be my fault. It
Hey.
will be my fault. Then
Wow, you
I'll
didn't have enough
then
AdWords
I'll
spend.
start. Yeah. I know a person.
Hey?
Come on.
Get in contact with them. What song are we singing?
Twinkle, twinkle.
No.
Just a line.
gonna sing.
No, I'm not gonna
So you do
sing.
the first line, I'll do the second line.
Okay, fine.
Always wanted to sing. Go for it. 1, 2, 3, and.
Twinkle, twinkle,
Little star, how I
wonder
while
you.
are.
There you go. Well, then, thank you so much for being here with me.
Is that it? What happened to the 7 questions? You
I
only
asked
did 1.
I asked you
Challenger?
all the questions. You got
Is that
all.
all of them?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought we were just chatting.
Oh no, I mentioned people's names before.
Okay.
Well, it's been awesome chatting to you.
So quick.
What?
It was just too brief.
Well, we'll have to bring you on another time when we do, when I start singing and I launch my
So
music.
weird to have no one standing behind the camera. Don't you? Yeah.
Okay, well, it's been awesome chatting to you, and I wish you all
Been
the
cool chatting.
I wish you all the best with, and I cannot wait to see what.
Did you think I was saying hi to that guy who walked past?
This is the most difficult
She did.
interview I've done so far. If you want to get familiar with Kyle and his music, go to the movies this weekend. Watch the Keeping Up with the Kandasamy movie.
Yeah, and follow
Listen
us
to the
on our
soundtrack.
social media.
Yes, and what is your social media handle?
@Kyle_J.
Okay, and I'm gonna share it, and now we're gonna do our funny photos, and he has no idea what that is because he didn't stop
No,
talking.
you always surprise. You just surprise. Everything is a
I've
surprise.
just got like 2 bags here that he's trying to look into at the
I
moment.
thought I was gonna go away in pieces, and I was gonna mess around.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye.